Welcome back. Now, in order to play the multimedia file, whether or not it is an MP4 or an MP3, you are going to need to have an interface either on your HTML page or on your WordPress site. Typically, you'll have, regardless of what you use, the player itself will have a request for an MP3 URL, and that's where you'll place your Amazon S3 MP3 URL. And in this case, all we would need to do is place that URL inside of our player, and then we would have the ability to allow our site visitors to play the MP3. And you'll see the player here. And the same thing is going to be true with an MP4. You're going to need a URL. That URL is going to be formed in the very same way that the MP3 is going to be formed, and you'll get it in the very same way from your Amazon S3 account. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.